Hey guys, what is up? This is Ash here, and in this video I will talk about what Christian Horner said after Checo's win at Azerbaijan and what Max Verstappen said after his tyre failure at Baku and losing out a deserved victory, and all the latest news from the world of Formula 1. Just stay tuned. Christian Horner said, Perez is better than we expected. We knew he was good around here, but we didn't know he was that good. He has been quick all weekend. He has been bang on the pace, and the only mistake he made was in Q3 run 1. His race pace was phenomenal. Had he not been longer on his marks in the first stop, he would have been right on the top of Max with the overcut. Such was his pace in clean air. Phenomenal for him. Christian Horner further talked about how defending Lewis after a red flag restart was great for his confidence. He said, the way he was defending from Lewis and controlling that was a class act. To see him get that victory will be great for his confidence. It puts him up to the third in the Drivers' Championship now. He is ahead of expectations. It's great to have both cars up there obviously. I think it's an added string to a bow on a day that you lose your lead car, that Checo's right there to deliver the win. That's exactly what we have been looking for. He further talked about how happy he is for Perez. He said, I am delighted for him and pleased for the team with all the amount of effort that's been going on behind the scenes. We are only on race 6 out of 23. We have got plenty of time. He is enjoying being in the team. He is doing a great job and he just needs to keep doing what he is doing. He further talked about the problems Perez had with his car before a red flag restart. He was nursing a hydraulic issue as well, and we were really concerned that the car wouldn't get to the end of the race, which is why he stopped after the checkered flag. We thought we could only lose when they had a restart, but thankfully it all worked out tremendously well and Sergio did a great job. After all this, Sergio Perez also talked about how close he was to lose out everything. It was a big thing. The team asked me basically not to weave. I couldn't warm up the tyres at the restart, so we were just trying to get to the end. It was only 2 laps to go and it was our race to be lost because we were in the lead. Pirelli says debris are likely the cause of Stroll and Verstappen crashes. Mario Isola suggested that Verstappen's crash could have been caused by running over debris from Stroll's crash. Gasly says he had to take big risks to seal podium. Pierre Gasly has admitted he feared he might lose the chance of podium places after running into a mid-race engine issues. Sometimes you can hate this sport, said Verstappen. He said, frustrating and very disappointing, so close to finish to retire with a tyre blowout. It's a big shame. Sometimes you can hate this sport for hours, then I will be fine. Fernando Alonso said, it's unfair drivers who crash keep grid places. It's unfair probably that the people that crashed, they repair the car and they start in that position tomorrow. I am very angry with myself, says Sainz. He said after the race, that at the moment I am very angry with myself and with the fact that once again I didn't manage to put a whole weekend together and suffered a lot with the tyres. Toto Wolff calls Mercedes' Baku performance unacceptable. He said, I am so angry, but I have no doubt this is a team that is so strong that we are going to transform the anger into a positive force. We are warriors and we are going to come back. Haas team principal Gunther Steiner says, Haas duo have cleared the air. He said, obviously there was a situation on the straight that was all resolved and we have cleared the air. There was some misunderstanding, but we are fine and all moving on from it. Formula 1 Managing Director Ross Brown has said he is happy to see Seb back. He said, Seb's had a tough last couple of seasons. I was one of the people who was uncertain about the decision Aston made in signing him up, but it's looking to be a great call because of the way he's driving and the results he's getting.
Hey guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.